In this video, I will talk about a unique type of post that you can submit on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. This type of post is called an ID post, and you simply add a new ID post by clicking the plus sign and then selecting new ID. What's unique about this ID post is that you can control the maturity of the ID, meaning at which stage is the ID in. I have already created one post, and you can see that it's currently in the status new ID by the yellow label at the top right corner. If we click on the post, we can see that it consists of 4 different stages: new ID, evaluation, approval, and go live. And I can simply update the stages or maturity of the post by clicking at the different stage and then adding a note about it. This can, for example, be useful for a bid manager if you have a new project or a potential new project, and you want to involve a number of people in the organization to actually review the project. And you can have them update the maturity of the ID so you can get an idea of the status.